Epe Gardens 3, Behold Nature, touched by its predecessors, Epe Gardens 1 and 2 and Waterfront. Epe Gardens 3 is nature's behold, the pathfinder of New Lagos, and the ultimate disruptor of real estate in Epe. It's an exclusive estate located in the budding environment of Ketu, Epe. This estate provides a blend of greenery and sustainable living, which enables our residents to feel the essence of living in connection with nature. Epe Gardens 3 is strategically located to facilitate accessibility within and outside Lagos State. It's a prime real estate investment directly facing the Ikorodu-Epe Expressway. It's a 15-minute drive from St. Augustine University. It's a few minutes away from the Alara of Ilara Palace. It's landmarked by other key locations such as the Alaro City, proposed international airport, Lasu Epe, Yabatech, the multi-million-dollar film city. The title is Registered Survey CFO in process. The pre-launch prices are